This Subcold Pro10 Mini Fridge is like a personal cloud for your cool treats. It holds 10 liters, so it fits snacks and drinks. You can even keep your beauty items chilled. This Subcold Pro10 Mini Fridge works in your bedroom, office, and car. It uses 12-volt and 110-volt power. The cooling system runs quietly, which is great. This compact fridge is also portable. Take the Subcold Pro10 Mini Fridge on road trips. Use it in your office to keep lunch cold. It's also ideal for a bedroom, so drinks are always close. The checker black design looks modern. It won't take up much space on your countertops. Plus, it's energy efficient, and that's a big plus. For a small fridge, it feels quite luxurious. It's not just for toys or men. Everyone can use it. While it doesn't have a touchscreen, its simplicity is a strength. This Subcold Pro10 Mini Fridge offers a sense of convenience. If you want a small, quiet cooler, this one deserves kudos. This review highlights its practical uses. Pros: compact, portable 10L capacity, 12-volt and 110-volt power, efficient cooling, quiet system. Ideal for bedroom, ideal for office, ideal for beauty, ideal for car. Cons: operational failures reported. Energy rating may be misleading, returns can be difficult. Limited 10L capacity, not for serious cooking. Durability issues noted, some had temperature issues. Delivery damage reported. No freezer compartment, may not cool much below room temp. Features: Subcold Pro10 model, luxury mini fridge, 10L capacity, compact and portable, 12-volt and 110-volt power, efficient cooling, quiet system, ideal for bedroom, good for office, use for beauty. The Subcold Pro10 is a small, 10-liter mini fridge that's easy to carry around. It can be plugged into a wall at home, 110V, or in a car, 12V. It cools things well and doesn't make much noise. This fridge is great for keeping drinks and snacks cold in your bedroom or office. You can also use it to keep your beauty products chilled. This Subcold Pro10 is a small, portable, 10-liter mini fridge that can cool things. It can be plugged into a car or a regular wall socket. It's quiet and good for keeping snacks, drinks, or beauty items cool in places like a bedroom, office, or car. However, some users have had problems with it not working well. The energy use being unclear, returns being hard, it not being very big, not being for cooking, breaking easily, having temperature issues, getting damaged during delivery, having no freezer, and not cooling much below room temperature.